Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install EA Sports FC24 on your PC or laptop. So make sure you watch the video till the end so you don't miss any step. First of all, open your browser, like Chrome, on your computer. Once it opens, go to the search bar and type G2A, then press enter. Now open the official website from the search results. When the website opens, you will see many options on the screen. From the top menu, click on the gaming category. After that, you will see many different games available on the site. Now go to the search bar on the website, click on it, and type FC24, then press search. You will now see many versions of FC24. Scroll down slowly and look for the version that is for PC or computer. Make sure you select the correct version so it works on your laptop or desktop. Once you find it, click on the game. Now you will see that the game is paid. If you want to download it, you will need to purchase it first. After buying, you will receive a game key or download instructions. Once the installation is complete, you can open the game and start playing. So that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. I'll see you in the next video.